put a comment on anywhere, any video. Okay, now we're ready. Huh. Oh shoot, I forgot this. Hang on. Hi, welcome to Fiber Love Diary. I'm Trish if we haven't met, and if we have met, welcome back. I'm so glad to see you. I hope you're having a great Friday. It's Friday, right? It is Friday. Yep. We've had kind of a busy day. John had blood drawn this morning. We went out to breakfast. I went to the yarn store to knit with my friends for a little while, and then when I came home, guess what was here? My Paradise Fibers packages. If you're new, you might be wondering, why do I have two? It's a really good question. This is a subscription for spinning fiber. I guess you could use it for felting if you wanted to too. It comes every month. They send different things. It's always fun for me. They send me one to open on my channel, and then I buy one and I give it away to one of you. If you want to enter to win, all you have to do is leave a comment starting on this video, on any of my videos, all the way until the next package shows up, and I just draw a winner from that. I will do that at the end of this video for this package, which is from last month, May 2022. It was awesome. I'll put a link to the unboxing below. If you want to find out who won this one, stay to the end. Oh, also, if you see something you like here, or you think you want to sign up for the subscription, there is a link below. It's an affiliate link, so it helps my channel. And if you like what you see, it would be great if you would hit the thumbs up, subscribe, hit the little bell. I have a ton of people asking me, what time do you go live? If you hit the little bell, it'll send you a notification when we go live. And during Tour de Fleece, I'm gonna go live every day of the tour, and it's gonna be random times. I'm just gonna pop up like a groundhog. It's gonna be great. Trust me, it'll be great. Let's open this. I have no clue what's in here, but it does say beach vibes, and it has like a, I don't know, beach van on it. So let's open it up and see what's in here. All right, I need my reading glasses because they leave a card in here, so you can tell what cool thing you got. I'm gonna start it and then rip it so I don't cut anything. I know that stresses some of you out. And this should not be stressful. It should only be fun. All right, ready? Let's get the cards out first. Oh, there's just one. Nope, there's two this month. Ooh, okay. It says title on it, and then it just talks about the club, and it says our new dyed bamboo top. Ooh, okay, all right. So on the back, it's telling us what is in here. So we're gonna keep that out for now. So it says, majestic and mighty, our newest shades of bamboo top offer a serene palette inspired by the vast and ethereal tides of the 7 seas. Available in a range of solid and multi-colors. In your bag, approximately 2 ounces of water horse, solid silver blue, 2 ounces of sea spray, solid light blue, and 4 ounces of glimmer glass, multi-blue purple. All right, so let's go through these. Looks like this one is sea spray. I love bamboo, you guys. I'm not sure if I'll blend it or if I'll use it just as is. This is one of my favorite colors on this planet. This like really light kind of cornflower blue color. Or some people, I don't know, might call it periwinkle. I always think periwinkle's a little bit more purple, but it's so gorgeous and it's so soft. And it's nice for people who want vegan fibers too. This is the sea spray. Wait, is it though? No, yes. This is the water horse. I also really do like this. Look. It's really gray, but has a slightly purple tone, unless that's the lighting in my room. But I have a lot of natural light coming in, so I think it may be slightly purple. Really pretty color. Almost like, kind of like those slightly gray pearls. You ever see those? I'm sure you've seen them. And then, this one is Glimmer Glass Multi-Blue Purple. Oh. Stop. Look and listen. Gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I'm trying to make sure I catch the light so you can really see the colors. Okay, so we need to see all three of these together as well because I feel like they would be really nice together. Look. Aren't those so pretty? Oh, look at these three. Aren't they gorgeous? They are so beautiful together. And it's 8 ounces because it's four of this one and then 2 each of these. So that's a lot of fiber again this month. Awesome. Okay. Now there's a treasure bag this month. So let's see what's in it. Look how cute. It's like, they called it a sea anemone-esque bag. You'll find the following treasures. I am loving this cute little bag. All right, how do I get it open though? Oh, hey, there we go. Untie it, Trish. You can do it. Okay. I love this little pouch bag thing. How cute. Okay, so it says 2 travel size eucalyptus. Nice. I don't know if we all got the same ones, but I got lavender and eucalyptus. These little tiny, you can take them with you if you need to wash knits, or they're just fun to like try them out. Nice sample sizes. And then 2 shell stitch marker progress keepers. Oh, hang on. It looks to me like abalone. Oh, maybe, okay, this one's abalone. Hang on, let me show you. Look at that, isn't that so gorgeous? I'm trying to catch the different colors, you know, it changes in the light. So pretty. And then this one looks like it's mother of pearl. So inside, I don't know, probably an oyster shell. Where does mother of pearl come from? You guys tell me. I'm sure one of you knows. So pretty. Really, it's like very, I hope it will pick up on the camera. It's very iridescent. I love it. Love. Okay. 1 vinyl sheep sticker tubular. Look, that one's, look how pretty that is. Gosh, I don't know if I can resist using this. That's really cute. And then 1 coconut mango stash tea. That's fun. I'll probably really like that one. I've been drinking more tea since I gave up coffee. Awesome. Gosh. Kind of makes me want to spin these right away. I don't know, I need to think about what I'll do with them, but I definitely do want to try spinning these soon because they're going to be so gorgeous. So thanks, Paradise. You know these are my colors. Maybe you guys don't know. I don't know. Do you know? These are my favorite colors. I can't wait to spin them. I need to get a project off the wheel over here. And they're really super soft and so like shiny and just pearly almost. I love it. This bag I have found to be such a good opportunity to try different things, to use my imagination, to use my creativity, and I just love it. I mean, I wouldn't keep getting it month after month myself and paying for one if I didn't love it. Awesome bag this month. I am crazy about it. Let's go pick a winner for the bag for last month. Since the last package got dropped, which was May 9th, there have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 videos. So first we'll do random number generator and pick a video. Okay, so 1 through 9. Okay, so number 6, I think that was a live, but just let's make sure. Okay, so I think that was a live, but let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need this link. And then we go to random comment picker. I can't do math, I guess. There we go. Now they've got a thing to make sure you're not a robot. And Kelly West, you win! Congratulations. All you have to do is send me an email to fiberlovediary@gmail.com with your snail mail address, and I will get your package out to you. Thank you so much. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you Sunday for the live, and I had to move the bat making to next week because my package was showing up today. So plan on a live bat making next week too. I will see you guys Sunday. Thanks. I love you. Bye.